Welcome to ShortView Trading. This is your morning market hit for Friday, 19th of February. What matters today for traders? Well, momentum in markets is rolling over. All of the major US indices closed lower on the session yesterday. 9 of the 11 S&P sectors were down. Clearly, the theme we highlighted yesterday, the false breakout narrative, has continued. And you can see that in the FTSE 100, the false breakout from its 50-day moving average. Since then, the market has rolled over. The DAX has edged lower again yesterday after failing at its late January highs, and a number of other indices around the world are also weak, including the Australian equity market overnight. How long will that weakness last? In our daily trading publication, we take a view on that. We have a number of proprietary models which generate timely buy and sell signals, and we make a 1 to 2 week recommendation on US equity futures. You can get a free trial of that publication via the website. For now, though, it's pretty clear that momentum is rolling over, and we measure that in a number of ways. This model, for example, measures momentum across the world's major indices, showing that strength globally has been fading. And we do a similar thing at a sector level. This indicator shows that momentum across the industry groups of the US equity market is rolling over. All of that's consistent with a deterioration in what we call market internals. In other words, the breadth of this equity market is poor. This chart shows the number of stocks in the US that fall on any given day alongside the number that close higher. You can see the number of falling stocks, the red line, has been increasing all the way through February. So this market's been held up by an increasingly small number of stocks. In other words, at a single stock level, downward pressure in markets is building. So the key question is, how much lower will markets go in the near term? There's clearly some technical support around the highs from late January and indeed mid-January, and then below that at the 50-day moving average. So we're watching those levels closely. We're also watching the VIX. In recent months, when the VIX has become overbought, it's generated timely buy signals for equities. We're not there yet, but we're watching this indicator closely. So what else are we watching today? Well, in terms of macro data, we get a flash estimate for the February market manufacturing and service sector PMI readings for a number of countries, including the US, the UK, Germany, France, the Eurozone. Out of the US, we get existing home sales. And then in terms of Fed speak, Barkin is speaking on a panel. That was your morning market hit. Do follow us on YouTube, search under ShortView Trading. Join us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Thanks for listening.